We've already seen several Galaxy S25 series leaks in the last few months, even though the phones are only expected to launch in January 2025. We most recently heard rumors about the S25 Ultra camera setup, and now another tipster has dished out details. Samsung has been gradually improving the secondary cameras in the Galaxy S Ultra line since introducing a primary 200-megapixel sensor. The Galaxy S24 Ultra now boasts a larger 50-megapixels periscope camera, while the standard telephoto and ultra-wide cameras remain the same. Rumors are now swirling about potential upgrades for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Leaker Ice Universe suggested that the upcoming device will maintain a quad rear camera setup, contrary to previous claims of a switch to a triple camera system. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 200 megapixels main camera and a 50 megapixels 5x camera, with improvements expected for the ultra-wide sensor and 3x camera. Specifically, Ice Universe mentioned a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera and a 50 megapixels 3x shooter. The enhanced 3x camera would be a significant upgrade from the current 10 megapixel sensor, potentially improving low light and portrait shots. The higher megapixel count could also enhance hybrid zoom capabilities. Additionally, a high-resolution 3x shooter with macro support could deliver detailed close-up shots. With a 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, Samsung's Ultra phone would be on par with other top camera phones that offer high-resolution ultra-wide lenses. While some may have hoped for a more ambitious camera zoom upgrade, these potential improvements could still elevate the Galaxy S25 Ultra's photography capabilities. Two leakers claimed earlier this month that the S25 Ultra would get a 50 megapixels variable telephoto camera, capable of shooting at 4x or 7x. In other news, there's not much information available yet about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, as we're still a few months away from its expected release. However, from what we do know, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be powered exclusively by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This new chip is expected to bring enhanced machine learning capabilities and potentially improve battery optimization through the use of AI. With these exciting developments, do you believe the Galaxy S25 Ultra will surpass the S24 Ultra as a superior camera phone? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you all in the next update. Until then, take care.